Personal training is a dynamic and rewarding career that allows you to help people achieve their fitness goals and live a healthy lifestyle. However, as with many other professions, how much money you earn through personal training depends on a lot of factors. So let's take a look at how to correctly price your personal training services. The very first factor that determines the pricing for your services is your experience level. If you're just starting out as a personal trainer, you obviously have a long way to go. You need to focus on building your skills and gaining essential experience. Over time, with more experience, you'll be better equipped to provide more value to your clients and increase your earning potential. The location you work from and the location where your target audience resides has a huge impact on your pricing. Trainers who work in larger cities and urban areas tend to charge more than trainers who work in smaller towns and rural areas. This is because the cost of living is higher in urban areas. The amount of education and certificates you possess can also impact the prices people are willing to pay for your services. Clients tend to look for coaches who've completed their personal training courses and certifications. The more credentials you have, the more valuable you will seem to your potential clients, which can increase your earning potential. So consider investing in additional education and certifications to boost your earnings as a personal trainer. Personal trainers who work for themselves have larger control over their pricing structure. And as we've just seen, several factors determine how much money you can earn as a personal trainer. So I hope this video provides you with some clarity. And if it did, make sure to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Until then, happy training.